Humayun to Sher Shah Suri. Yes, all these are who they are Mughal Empire. They are the rulers of Mughal Empire, right? Now, Babur,
Yes.
yes, Babur was a ruler. He was a very efficient ruler. He was a very good ruler. Though he ruled for a very short period of time, right? But he brought about a lot of changes in the society, in the Mughal Empire, right? He conquered many areas, nearby areas, and thus he is, Babur is also known in the Indian history as the tiger. What he is known as the tiger, as he fought many battles. Some important battles are Battle of Panipat, Battle of Kanwa, which in which Babur was the victorious in a very short span. See, from 1526 to 1530, right? He was such a ruler that he fought many battles and he laid a strong foundation of the Mughal Empire, and also gain a good control over the areas near the Delhi and Agra. Right, so what he is, he's emerged as a victorious in the most of the battles. So he is also known as the tiger. What is known as the tiger in the Indian history. I'll show you in my presentation some more details about Babur, which we learned in the last class. Yes, introduction about Babur. Yes, we also saw in the last class that when Babur was ruling in Afghanistan, Kabul, at that time Ibrahim Lodi was ruling over Delhi. Yes, then he defeated him, Ibrahim Lodi, in the Battle of Panipat, right? With his large army which were with cannons. And then Babur came on the throne and the Mughal dynasty was established. Yes, all this we saw in the last class. Yes, now this is some extra information in my presentation about Babur. Okay, yes, Owen, read better.
Can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
I said
Okay, ma'am.
Owen.
Introduction. Kaulad Khan Lodi, a cousin of Sultan Ibrahim, unsatisfied by the Sultan's rule,
Pursued it.
prayed Zahiruddin Muhammad to invade India and defeat the Sultan. So, at the Great Battle of Panipat, Ibrahim Lod's large army was defeated by Babur.
Great Battle of
Dynasty
Panipat. Okay, Panipat.
battle Battle of Panipat, Ibrahim Lod's large army was defeated by Babur and a new dynasty was founded by Babur.
The
The
Great
great
Mughal Dynasty. Yes, I have also brought about some information. Sorry, I, God. I have also brought about some informations about the, Battle of Panipat and Battle of Kanwa, which are the foundations of this Babur and the Mughal dynasty. Key informations I am going to share with you in this presentation. But let us first see that how the Mughal dynasty was established by Babur. Yes, he defeated Ibrahim Lodi, right? And then he in the Battle of Panipat, and then the Mughal dynasty was established, right? See, these are the pictures of Babur. Yes, Babur had lot of interest in the different works. I'll show you his interest also, whatever his interest. But he in the Indian history, he is known as Babur the Tiger. Yes, what he is known as Babur the Tiger. Now this is the reign of Babur. See, it is this area where he expanded. Babur's rule was expanded. Can you see in India? Yes,
yes.
yes, and this is who?
Yes, ma'am.
This is who? Babur's successor, Humayun. Now, Humayun was who in the last class I discussed with you all. He was the son of Babur who came on the throne in 1530. Yes, just after Babur's death. And Babur fell ill and he died in 1530. Right? See, here you can see the reign of Babur was very less, 1526 to 1530, in a very short span. but his work was great, right? Yes. Yes, Kakani Sara is present. Madhvani Sakina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sara, read this slide better.
Ma'am, can I?
I have given to Kakani Sara, then it will be given to someone else also, okay?
The reign of Babur, 1526. The reign of Babur, 1526 to 1530. Babur established his empire after defeating Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat. The Rajputs under Rana Sangha of Mewar at the Battle of Kanwar and the consolidated Afghan chiefs at the banks
Of river.
of River Ghagra. His kingdom extended of River Ghagra.
His kingdom extended from
His kingdom extended from
and Kandha.
Kabul to and Kandahar in the and Kandahar in the northwest to Bihar in the east, and from the Himalayas in the north to Gwalior, Gwalior
Gwalior.
in the south.
Hmm.
However, Gwalior in the south. However, he was not able to enjoy the fruits of his hand-earned, hard-earned victories. Still, his rule was a brilliant one and had a great influence on arts and architecture in India. However, after only 4 years of his rule, he died, and his son Humayun became emperor after him.
Yes, absolutely right. Seagulls. Now, this is the extension of his empire, which is not mentioned in your textbook, though I'm making you understand. Because why he is known as a great ruler, we are seeing over here, right? Because he extended his empire very vastly, and beta, in a very short span, say only in 4 years, right, of his rule, only 4 years, and he died. And as soon as he died, Humayun came over the throne. We saw in the last class, right? And now Humayun was, he had to face many problems with his brothers Kamran, and we saw in the last class, he had to face lot of problems. But and apart from that, Humayun was defeated twice by Shesha, है ना, और Sur dynasty, Sesa Suri. Yes, and then he escaped. He kept on, hiding because of the Shesha Suri for 15 years. है ना, 15 years तक वो नहीं आए, मतलब he was hiding. Right, and then in that span, Shesha Suri is also a great Afghan leader. He is also an Afghan leader, like Babur, है ना. And Shesha-Suri भी जो थे, he in his Indian history is known as a great reformer. Reformer मतलब what? मुगल एम्पायर के टाइम में रिफॉर्म्स बहुत आते थे. The changes in the society used to be there. So all these rulers, Babur, Humayun, Shesha-Suri, they all have, whose mic is on?
Zeno.
Yes, I request you कि जब मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ तब आप माइक म्यूट करके मुझे सुनो. ओके, जब आपको डाउट हो तब आप अनम्यूट करके मुझे पूछो.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so this way, beta, though in a very short span of time, only 4 years he ruled, and it was a brilliant one, because he constructed many architectures in India. I'll show you some pictures of his architecture work also. Okay, in the other slides, upcoming slides. Okay, but this is just a basic introduction in the reign of Babur's rule. Is it clear till here, all of you? Shall I change my slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, any doubt till
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
See, because we are introducing lot of new things in this lesson, the lesson will be very lengthy for us. So please pay attention. तो एक ही एक चीज वापस revise ना करनी पड़े, because already this lesson is a lengthy one, and my extra addition and top up will create more lengthy. Okay. So Babu's
Can I
in
read?
Babu's
Ma'am?
in Babu's interest. Now, what were his interest? Just in these 4 years, what interest he showed to us? He had many interest in reading, society, hunting, nature, politics, economics. बहुत सारा इंटरेस्ट था. बट उनका जो आर्किटेक्चर एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वर्क था, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे गार्डन्स बनाए, बहुत सारे बिल्डिंग्स कंस्ट्रक्ट किए, जो आज भी हम देख सकते हैं. ओके. मुगल एम्पायर के ऐसे बहुत सारे फोर्ट्स आज भी है ना. दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज मॉन्यूमेंट्स इन द हिस्ट्री. ओके. what are they considered as monuments? Is it clear? So we will see about Babu's interest. Yes, Rupani Zainab, read beta.
Okay, ma'am. Babur interest. Babur the Mughal had many interests. His memoirs reflect that he had an interest in reading, society, hunting, nature,
Politics.
politics, economics. He had ideas about architecture, administration, and civilization.
Civilization.
Civilization. All through Babur ruled over only 4 years, his love of nature led him to create gardens of great beauty. It became an intrinsic part of every Mughal fort, palace, and state's building during the centuries that followed. While alive, Emperor Babur
Alive.
While alive, Emperor Babur laid out the classical Mughal style gardens located on High Point in West Kabul, which comprised a series of beautiful landscape hillside.
Yes. So all this is about his work, his interest. He was 4 साल में ही अपना राज्य भी स्थापना, and to construct all these great monuments, plus to put a remark in the society was it's very hard, right? But though, because of his interest and his architecture skills, he was the one who shall I ask to remove you in from the group, girls? Again and again, same instructions. It breaks my link, girls. Okay, so it was a great interest, and today also his love of nature led him to create gardens that we can see, right, of great beauty, which became an instinct part of every Mughal fort, palaces, and state buildings during the centuries that followed. Right? While alive, Emperor Babu laid out the classical Mughal style gardens located on a high point in West Kabul, right? Which comprises of a series of beautiful landscapes. So all these were, his interest.
Rupani Zainab is raising her hand.
Yes, Zainab, what happened, beta?
Somebody else also raised the hand, I think, but then I don't know what happened.
I don't know, but why they are unmuting mic? Zainab is having problem something. Okay, see, this is the picture of Babu's interest. Okay, different pictures I have tried to collect, but because of shortage of space, they are visible very small. Okay, Babu's who again? It is Zainab.
Sarah, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem. Maybe she wanting to ask anything. So Babu's enjoying hunting and all this, his drawing work, his reading work, and everything is shown over here, which we discussed over here. The next slide follows that, right? Now Babu's achievement. दो हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में उसके अचीवमेंट्स नहीं लिखे गए हैं, You can see it is very less, but Babur की information आपको होनी ही चाहिए. See, it is only this much, right? Humayun का भी only this much. Then to have brought some more information. शेरशाह सूरी अकबर की बहुत सारी informations है, right? That we will see. Okay, so Babu's achievement. What were his achievement? We'll see in this slide. Okay. Yes, Almas. The first two achievements you say.
Can I?
First two. First two achievements Almas will say.
Babur's achievements. The achievements of Babur can be
Started nahi, stated.
stated as follows. Babur established the Mughal dynasty in India by defeating Ibrahim Lodi, the last Delhi Sultan, bringing an end to the Delhi Sultanate in the first Battle of Panipat in 1526 AD. In 1527 AD, Babur defeated the Rajput confederacy formed by Rana Sangram Singh of Mewar along with a number of Rajput kingdoms like Marwar, Gwalior, Ajmer, Amber, etc.
Sarah, mute your mic.
Etc.
Sarah, mute your mic.
under the leadership of Mahmud Lodi, the brother of Ibrahim Lodi, in the Battle of Khanwa.
Yes, ये पानीपत और खानवा की बैटल के बारे में मैं आपको और डिटेल्स दूंगी in the next slides, upcoming slides you will see. Yes, so his first two achievements, we know very well that he defeated Ibrahim Lodi and came over the throne, right? When Ibrahim Lodi was the last Delhi Sultan, है ना? और उनकी जो फर्स्ट बैटल थी that was the battle of Panipat, which was in 1526. See this, I have brought here the information of battle of Panipat also. Okay, so it was a strong foundation because it was the time when he started ruling over Delhi. When it was the time when his Mughal empire was established, है ना? So we will see about that. And the second one is the battle of Kanwa. That also we will see. I don't know. Yes, this one. Can you see the battle of Kanwa? That
Yes,
also we will see the details of that. Okay. Yes, that was in 1527, and that was with Rana Pratap. You know, Rana Sangram. First introduction में मैंने आपको उनके बारे में बताया था. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we will discuss about both the battles. Okay. Yes. Now in 1529. Yes, one read in 1529 and next two achievements.
Yes, ma'am. In 1529 AD, Babur
Defeated. Deleted नहीं.
Sorry, ma'am. In 1529 AD, Babur defeated the Eastern Afghans.
Eastern Afghans.
Eastern Afghans.
I means that is of
Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa, etc. was formed a powerful alliance with Muhammad Lodi.
In the battle
of Kora, it temporarily weakened the
anti-Babu strategies
and in the battle of and saved the fledgling
of Mughal reign. Yes.
Mughal reign.
Yes.
Due to the conquest of Babur, the Mughal Empire extended from Kabul in the west of Gora in the east, from the Himalayas in the north of Gwalior in the south.
Yes. So all this is what beta different battles and his achievements, what all he achieved. Yes, during the Mughal Empire. Right. Now first we will see the Battle of Panipat. Everyone ready to know more details about Battle of Panipat?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Yes, Kaka Nisara will read this.
Ma'am, I read.
What is
Can
your
I
name?
read?
Excuse
What
me.
is?
Miss Bella.
Excuse me for a miss.
Yes, yes, say ma'am.
Some girls have typed that they want to read. Sakina Gabrani, Abdullah Deraya, and Misbah Sheikh have written that we want to read. So you have to
I
you.
also want to
Yes, Miss
read.
Basik, start better.
Yes, ma'am.
Sheikh Misbah.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो स्टार्ट द बैटल ऑफ स्टार्ट मतलब कि बैटल ऑफ पानीपत बैटल मत करना रीड करो
Okay, ma'am. The Battle of Panipat in the year 1526, the first battle of Panipat took place at Panipat, few miles away from Delhi. Babur had only 12,000 army, while the opponent Sultan Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi, had a much larger force. Babur was equipped with more advanced weapons, both matchlock men and field cannon, which
फील्ड कैनन्स कैनन्स मतलब पता है ना आप सबको कैनन किसको बोलते हैं
Yes, ma'am.
ओके कंटिन्यू
which proved to be very
यूजफुल
useful against the Afghan
कैवलरी
cavalry. Like the other Indian rulers, Lodi was not also introduced with firearms.
फायर
Firearms.
आर्म्स
Firearms. Ibrahim Lodi was killed in the battle along with dozens of other Indian chiefs. Babur emerged victorious and occupied Delhi. Then he sent his son Humayun to Agra, the capital of Lodi, to capture the royal and the
पैलेस पैलेस
palace and the treasure. Shortly after that Babur joined Humayun at Agra, distributed the seized treasures among his followers. Then he ascended the throne of Agra and turned it to his capital.
हाँ मतलब कि लास्ट लाइंस में क्या लिखा है बेटा बाबुर ने अपना जो जो भी साम्राज्य जो भी वॉट एवर ही हैड गेन एंड वॉट एवर प्लेसेस ही वाज रूलिंग यू नो बाबुर वाज सच अ गुड किंग आल्सो के उन्होंने जब अपना विल बनाया था है ना द विल तो ही हैड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू ईच प्रोविंसेस टू ईच ऑफ हिज सन है ना इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था यहाँ एक हुमायूं का ही इस स्लाइड में प्रेजेंटेशन लिखा गया है कि हुमायूं was sent to Agra, yeah, but he was Babur distributed all his provinces equally to his sons है ना but still Humayun had to struggle a lot to against his brothers Afghan and Kamran, right? That I discussed with you in the previous class, remember or not? Yes, remember or not girls?
Yes,
है ना
ma'am.
तो बैटल ऑफ पानीपत कहाँ पे हुई थी बेटा इट वाज वेरी मच नियर टू फ्यू माइल्स अवे फ्रॉम दिल्ली okay the place name is only panipat and it is a historical place okay 1526 में ये बैटल हुई थी जब बाबर ने इब्राहिम लोदी को डिफीट किया था though his army was less right he had less number of people in his army but then also he won because he had well equipped cannons and well equipped arms and weapons so that he was victorious in the battle plus he had skills to win right so apart from all these things when he defeated Ibrahim Lodi he started the Mughal empire and immediately after that he sent his son Humayun to Agra. Why? To emerge victorious and to occupy Delhi. With that, he sent his son, the son Humayun, to Agra, the capital of the Lodi. Yes, it was the capital of the Lodi to capture the royal palace and treasure. Treasure matlab jo bhi khazana tha, right? Shortly after that, Babur joined Humayun at Agra and then he distributed the treasure among his followers. Right? And then ascended the throne of Agra and turned to his capital, that is Delhi. Okay? So this way, Battle of Panipat is marked as a historical battle, right? where he defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi, right? We Ibrahim had Sultan Ibrahim had much larger force, right? And Babur was equipped with more advanced weapons. That was the reason, right? Which proved to be very useful against the Afghan, right? And so this way Ibrahim Lodi was not also introduced with the firemen. Ibrahim Lodi was killed in the battle along with the dozen of other Indian chiefs, right? Chiefs, okay. So this way the battle of Panipat, which was in 1526, is counted as a memorial battle. Now we will see the battle of Khanua. Yes, who will read this one?
Can I?
Can I?
Ma'am,
Who is
can I?
asking? बेटा जब भी आप परमिशन लो आप अपना नाम बोलो. आई से मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है, सबकी आवाज में नहीं पहचान पाती हूँ ऑनलाइन क्लास में.
Can
स्पीक
I
योर
read
नेम.
Sakina Rajani?
यस राजानी, रीड बैटल ऑफ खनवा.
Sakina.
The Battle of Khan.
Sakina, next your turn, okay? Yes, continue बेटा.
The very next war, there was battle between the Babur and Rajput confederacy at
खनवा.
Khanwa. The Rajput were led by Rana
राणा
Singh.
संघा. राणा संघा.
Rana Sangha ruled over the state of Mewar in the Rajasthan. The Rajput cavalry was huge with 80,000
Soldiers.
soldiers and 500 armored
Armored war elephants.
elephant, while the Mughal force was much smaller in the size. But the Babur had guns and the cavalier was well practiced with Central
Tactics.
Asian
Tactics.
tactics, which provide to be very
Which
effective,
proved
which proved very effective against the Rajput. The battle also brought victory to Babur, Rana Singh, and many
Rana
others.
Sangha.
Rana Sangha and many others renowned,
Renowned.
renowned,
Renowned. Yes.
renowned
Renowned
Rajput
Rajput.
leaders die at the Battle of Khakhun.
That
That
and
and the possibility of the registration of the Rajput power in the North India in the year 1528. Babur marched to great mystic of the
Chanderi.
Chanderi, which was the fort of the feudal leader under the Rana of Mewar. The Mughal Empire attacked the fort and salvaged
So, okay.
salute
Many lives there.
there.
Okay, no problem. There were some pronunciation mistakes. Who was reading?
Sakina Rajani.
Yes, Sakina, but you tried good. Okay. और किसी को कोई परमिशन मांग रहा था रीडिंग के लिए, कौन था वो?
Sakina Gabrani.
Sakina.
हाँ
Sakina Gabrani.
हाँ सकीना, चलो रीड करो फिर मैं समझाती हूँ.
Okay, ma'am. The Battle of Khanum. The every next war there was a battle between Babur and Rajput confessed at Khanwa.
कॉन्फिडेंस. हाँ.
The Rajput were led by Rana Sangha.
हम्म.
Sorry.
What happened?
Rana Sangha, ruler of the state of Mewar in Rajasthan. The Rajput cavalry was a hug with 80,000 soldiers and was much smaller in size. But Babur had guns and the cavalry and well practiced with Central Asian tactics, which proved to be very effective against the Rajput. This battle also brought victory of Babur, Rana Sanga, and many other renowned Rajput leaders died at Battle of Khanwa. That ended the possibility of uh, resurgence of Rajput power in the North India. In the year 1528, Babur marched to the great basins of Chanderi, which was the fort of a feudal leader under the Rana of Mewar. The Mughal army attacked the fort and
No problem. Can you? What happened, beta?
uh, sulgurate many lives other.
Okay. चलो यहाँ तक समझ में आया किसी को about this battle of Khanwa? Okay, we'll understand in the next class because yes. So all this we saw about what beta different achievements of Babur, and then how Humayun came on the throne. We saw in this also, right? Then we will see about Sher Shah Suri in the next class and Akbar. Yes, Akbar. Akbar is also all these Mughal rulers are very important to understand the history, how the Mughal Empire extended.